Hi there, my name's Faith and I'm going to be showing you how to screen print today. So basically what you're going to do is start off with your basic design. For this I just chose to literally show how to screen print, including myself and a little bit of text. So right now I'm just here taping down my image on the table so that way it doesn't move on us. And then we're going to be taking our Duralart transparencies. This is very important for when we take it to the emulsion. And then we're also going to be taping that down so it doesn't move on us as we're tracing the image. So right now I'm holding a Ruby Lift pen, and this is one that we use for tracing over transparencies so that when we put the transparencies under the emulsion, it will not go through. So here I am just tracing my image underneath. Pro tip, it would be smarter to leave it as just a pencil sketch instead of inking it or sharpieing it because you can more clearly see which is covered with the Ruby Lift and which is not. Right, and onto the Lightroom. As you can see, it's very dark in here because emulsion is light sensitive and you don't want to expose your screen or others until ready. Right here I have my scraper, and over on the table I have our emulsion. What you're going to be doing is pouring the emulsion into the scraper, and you're going to heavily scrape the emulsion onto the screen to where it's just a thin film. They're drying, we're going to be taking to the light table. Here I have a regular piece of paper and my transparency. We're going to be taking it to the light table, and the light under here is emulsion safe so it doesn't cure yet. With the light we can see where the transparencies are under it. Make sure when you're doing this that you are not touching the edges where the emulsion did not hit, as you can see right there. I'm going to take these two tubes and they are going to be placed inside the screen. This is to help take out any air that will be stuck on top of the screen, and this will all ensure that our screen and prints do not move while being cured. Once you're all happy with that, we are going to then shut the machine, lock it, and after that we are going to vacuum right here. You'll then see the vacuum doing its thing. You'll look at the top and start to see that it's indenting where the screen frame is. And then after that you're going to take over here and press the timer, which will cure what is shown. After that I rinsed out my screen, and now as I'm waiting for it to dry I went ahead and pre-mixed my two colors for this print. Now my screen is ready for ink. I'm attaching it to a printing station with clasps that secure the frame so I can lift and lower without moving/altering my print results. You want to make sure these are very tight and sturdy. Alright, and now on to the actual printing process. Here I have my two paints for my two print layers, scrapers for the paints, and last but not least my squeegee. And I also have this tool that helps keep my squeegee up while I'm in the process of changing out the papers. Alright, let's go through the steps. First thing you want to do is align your paper. To do this, I positioned it to where I wanted it, and then I marked the screen exactly as you see there, the little black dots, where I wanted the edges to meet. Now I'm going to be taping my edges. I'm going to be using my packaging tape and hitting in the places that my emulsion did not hit and where I do not want my ink to go through. Make sure you have something small on you to prop up the screen to make sure that your ink does not get on the board when flooding the image. Next you're going to take your ink and scrape right above your design. Then you'll grab your squeegee and do what's called flooding. This is where you drag an even layer of ink on your design. Do not apply force though, or else you will have what's called squishing, where the print has too much ink on it. For printing, you'll firmly push down and pull the squeegee towards you at about a 45-degree angle. You'll then lift up the screen and prop it up again. You'll flood the screen again and switch out the papers. And for my second layer, I applied the same process to it. Align, prop, flood, print, and repeat. And there you have it. After that, you'll just cut these down and you'll have addition of prints. Thanks for watching.